So hello you guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Today everyone know today is Monday, so we do binary trading in Olam Trade. So here we go, first we open and first we analyze chart, then second we trade. Now today I give you SNR and price action strategy in short term profit. So let's see guys, and stay with me till last end. So okay, first we open. So here we OTC trader close. Let's see Euro USD. So here we go, first we analyze chart, then second we trade. Today we have $16,592. So here we go, I thought market gone first downward trend, but let's see market gone upward trend. First we analyze chart, so I thought market gone downward. So let's see, here we do 3 trades of $500. So okay, market gone downward, let's see. Yeah, we winning the trade. Okay, okay, again market gone downward. So here we go, first upward. Let's see. One buy trade, three sell trade. Let's see what happened there. Both are in profits. Okay, let's see. Okay, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one profit. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again and again profit. 2, 1. Again and profit. Only 20 seconds for buy trade. But let's see. Oh, market gone really downward. Let's see. I have a big risk, but let's see. I do a big risk, guys. Leave a like guys, and if you are new, so please like my channel and follow me and subscribe also. Come on. Do some profit guys. Leave a like guys, leave a like. We do $8,000 trade guys. Leave a like. No, we are in big loss. 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh no, market gone crash. 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So that's control feelings guys. We again do more profit. Let's see. Okay, here we go, market upward, but that's a big crash. But let's see. Let's see guys, leave a like guys, leave a like. Okay, again market gone upward. Only 15 seconds. I thought we cover up again. Okay, here we go. We reach $11,000, but let's see. We do more money to cover up. Let's see guys. First patience. If you like my SNR strategy, so please subscribe my channel. Also comment me. I need your supports, guys. We have only $8,602. Okay, here we go. Market going upward again. Okay, one. Okay, we got. So we are in again loss. So that's a trading, guys. So if you like my strategy, so please follow me. And everyone, I told you, trading is also risks. It's a totally 100% risk. But that's anyway, guys. Sometimes we gain loss, sometimes we gains profit. So that's our reading, guys. We see you soon, guys, again. And if you are new, so please follow me. So bye bye, guys.